Hey Wear Noticers, Shane here, coming at you with another awesome technology video. And today, guys, I'm going to be giving you the ultimate tutorial on how to make and set up customized app icons on your iOS 14 home screen. Yes, with iOS 14, you can change your app icons to literally whatever you want. The sky's the limit on the possibilities of customization. So without further ado, let's jump right into me showing you how to do it. Wear Notice, Wear Notice, Wear Notice, Wear Notice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Wear Notice, Wear Notice, Wear Notice, Wear Notice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Wear Notice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So for the purposes of this tutorial, guys, I'm going to be changing the app icon on my phone app on my iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. So the first thing you're going to want to do to change an app icon in iOS 14 is you're going to want to fire up the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press the plus button in the top right corner of the screen to create a new shortcut, and you're going to want to come down here where it says search for apps and actions, and you're going to want to search for open app. And then you're going to want to tap open app right there, nice and easy. Now it says open and choose. So you're going to want to tap choose, and you can choose whichever app you want to change the icon. Again, in this video, I'm going to be changing my phone app icon. So we can tap phone right there, and boom, just like that, you're ready to rock and roll. So you're going to want to tap next, and then you're going to want to name this shortcut the exact name of the app. So phone, because this is once again the phone app. And there are a couple different things you can do right now. You can either create your new icon in this app right here and make it nice and easy. So I guess I'll just do that for an example. Let's make a purple phone app in this app, and we can just come over here and we can look for a different icon to use. So let's see, we can go through all these different objects, and you know what, I'll just use a boring old phone icon right there. And essentially what we've done is we've created a customized app icon that is a purple phone app icon. So yeah, now we can tap done, and boom, what you're going to want to do next is, you see how we have that phone shortcut right there? You're going to want to tap those three dots on the shortcut, and then you're going to want to tap down here at the bottom the little share button. Next, what you're going to want to do once the share screen pops up is you're going to want to tap add to home screen, and this is where the real magic happens. You can either keep that customized brand new icon that you made yourself, or you can use literally any picture ever as the app icon. So for example, you could take a screenshot of an app icon on the internet, and you could use that as the app icon, or you could make your own app icon in a different app, save it as a picture, and then use it right here. So yeah, once again, the options are literally limitless. Any picture you want can be an app icon. So now to select a picture to use for this phone app icon, we can tap right here on the purple icon right here next to phone, and we can tap choose photo. Next, we can browse through our entire photo library and pick any photo we want. I'm going to pick this photo right here. It's actually an icon I made myself, and I'm going to show you how to make your own icon even more custom in another free app in just a second. But right now, let's use this picture. Tap choose, and boop, boop, boop. Now we are all ready. Look at that red phone icon right there. We can tap add, and boom, now we can tap done. And next, when we go to our phone screen, look at that. We got a red phone icon right there. Now, obviously on your home screen, you're only going to want the new custom icon on your screen, not the old one. So to get rid of the old app icon, you can hold down on it just like that. You can tap edit home screen, and then you can tap the little minus icon on it. And then you can tap remove from home screen, and it's going to move that app to your app library, which you can access just by swiping over here, and you can see all your different apps on your phone. But anyway, back over here, and boom, voila, guys, just like that. Now you have your custom app icon on your phone screen, so you can tap it, and boom, it goes to the Shortcuts app real quick, and then after like about a second, it brings you over to the correct app. And as you can see, now I'm in the phone app. Pretty cool if I do say so myself. And anyway, guys, now that you know how to set up using a custom app icon on your iOS 14 home screen, I'm just going to show you really quickly how you can make your own for free. So the way I like to do this is through Apple's own Keynote app, which is essentially Apple's version of PowerPoint. It's a free app. You can get it on the App Store. So let's fire this app up, and I'm going to show you how. So once you're in the Keynote app, you're going to want to create a new presentation, and you're going to want to just pick a basic white theme like that, and you're going to want to delete all the text that's in it so you can have a nice blank canvas to create your app icon. So first thing you're going to want to do is think, what color background do I want for my icon? So you're going to tap the paintbrush up there, and then you're going to tap appearance. Next, you're going to tap background and then color, and you can pick whatever color you want. So I guess I'll do blue for this one. And then next, you can pick a shape to put on the icon. So you can press the plus button up here, and you can tap right here, the square and the circle, to look at all the different shapes. So see, if I search right here, let's search, since we're doing a phone app, we can search phone, and then you see the different phone options. Whereas let's say if you're doing the music app, you could search music, and wow, look at all these different music options. So yeah, anyway, back to phone, we can just tap, let's do this phone right here, and then you can change the color of the little shape by pressing the paintbrush in the top and then touching fill right there. And again, you can select whatever color you want. So I guess I will do white, make it nice and simple, and we can move this around. We can make it a little bit bigger, just like that. Now guys, let's say I want to add some text to this app icon. To do that, all you got to do is you got to tap plus right there, tap basic right here under the square and circle category that we were on before, tap text, and we can type something right in there in that little text box. Let's type in all capital letters phone. That makes sense. And then we can tap on that text box, tap the little paintbrush, and we can edit it some more. So let's see, we can make it bold, we can make it white so it matches the actual phone, and we can also make it a little bit bigger. Okay, right there. And we can put this underneath. We can just move that right there, and boom, guys, I think we got a good looking first draft of an icon right there. Look at that. Not bad. You know what? I think I'll make the text a little bigger, so we can just come over there, and again, we can increase the text size. Oh yeah. And voila, look at that. I think that looks like a good app icon. Now you can save it as a photo just by screenshotting. So if you don't know how to screenshot, all you gotta do is you gotta do volume up button and side button at the same time. And then you can come over here to the screenshot and you can just crop it so it's a nice little square right there. And then boom, done, save to photos. And now if we go back to the shortcuts app and fire it up, we can tap on our already made phone shortcut. We can tap the share button again. We can tap add to home screen. We can tap the little icon just like we did before, choose photo, and then we can come over and select our brand new custom super made all by ourselves icon right here, and we can tap choose, and then we can tap add, and then we can tap done. And if we come over to our home screen, we can see that brand new custom icon right there, and we can just hold down on the old custom icon. We can tap delete bookmark, delete, and boom, now we've got the new icon. And yeah, guys, anyway, with that, now you guys know how to easily make and set up your very own customized app icons on your iOS 14 home screen. So if you guys found this video helpful, definitely be sure to share it with your friends so they can see this awesome trick too. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Where Notice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing, and thank you so much for subscribing. Where Notice out, and now you know a little bit more about iOS 14. Bye.